You want to sell more jobs? You want to increase your closing rate? Today's video is going to be about sales, and it's sales training for you. It's going to give you the process that I use. When I get to the home, when I do the home visit, I'm going to walk you through that process. I'm going to talk to you about what tools I use while I'm in the home. I'm going to talk to you about the work that I do and what I present the customer, so that even if I don't get a signed deal, I don't close the deal right then, I know I get a phone call. And you will too if you use this process. So I'm going to show you the tools. I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to walk you through the phone call. I'm going to make sure you know exactly what you need to say during that phone call and what you're looking to get out of that phone call. Then you get to the home visit. I'll walk you through that. In the end of the video, we're going to wrap all that up. In the end of the video, the last 5 minutes is going to be the most powerful part. No pressure selling. You don't have to get that deal signed right then. You're going to get the call. They're going to ask you for advice. And it's going to be powerful because they're going to trust you. They know you're honest. They want you to be the HVAC company that they use. They want you to actually be in charge of their job because they know you're going to lead it properly. They know you're going to commission it properly, and you're going to maintain it. You're going to keep up with it. So they know you're going to be good for that responsibility that they have with their project. You're going to be in control. So thank you guys so much. If you're a member, you're watching this, that means you support me. Thank you. This was requested from a member a couple weeks ago, and now I got some time to do it. So I really appreciate you watching. If you're looking at this and going, oh man, I wish I was a member, but I really don't. I can't really spend the money. Well, listen, save the money and then spend the money. This is only $25 to see this video. I've got several videos that you'll actually have access to, like pricing, like sizing, ductwork, and sizing equipment. And now you'll have this sales training. So you can watch this video as many times as you want, go over it, practice it, and it's going to work. You're going to have more success, you're going to have more jobs, and it's going to increase your bottom line. And that's the reason I'm doing this. And I don't want to charge you, but I have to because I've worked hard, and it's taken years for me to learn this, and this experience for me to give this to you for $25. It's well worth that. There are training classes that you can go take and you'd have to travel to, and they would take a week and they'd cost you $10,000, or it'd take a couple days and cost you $2,500. I've actually been a part of those. But this right here that I'm giving you, this is going to be more beneficial. This is really going to be the process that if you use it, a byproduct of you just doing the work is you're going to get the sale. You're going to get the customer. Now, timing is a big thing because when a customer calls, it's usually really hot or it's really cold and they don't wait. And they might not know anything about your company. So timing is everything. You may need to get there before anybody else gets there because they may not take the time for you, okay? But if you've done this process, you'll really know the value and what it can really add, and then you can talk to that customer and you can ask them about those things you're going to learn in this video. And they may take the time for you to come on out, even though they think they've got somebody else that they know is going to do a good job. Even though they think they've got somebody that's going to be honest with them, you may be able to get that shot. And if you do and you use this process, boom, you're going to get that job. And the greatest thing is no pressure selling. We ain't worried about it. We know what we're doing. You finish this video, you go watch my ductwork sizing video. You go watch my equipment sizing video. You watch those, okay? If you need the guides, you've joined, you become a member, comment below, say I joined. I'll give you my email, and that'll lead to a bunch of guides. And those guides are on airflow, duct design, sizing, all that, wire sizing. That's going to help you as well. And I'm here to give you that because you've supported me. I really appreciate it. And the reason I'm charging you is because I'll have time to do this during the week eventually if more people support me. And that's what I really need because I know there's a need out there for knowledge, and that's why I'm doing this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. And if you're watching this sales training video, that means you're a member, and that means something to me. Thank you so much for doing that. Check out my membership levels. If you need to talk to me, join, become level 4. I'll give you my number through email. You can contact me. If you're taking the test, I'll help you with the test. You need a specific video, put your request down in the comments. I'll do that video for you. I'm here. So use me while I'm here so that you can have more success. Thank you so much. You're about to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm Tad, reminding you, I'll keep you cool if you let me, and the customer does not care how much it costs when they know how much you care. Let's go.